Myself S.C. Pandey, PGT Biology from Tagore Public School, Surajgarh. As I have delivered the different lectures in the reproductive health related. As you know, reproductive health generally relate with the reproductive system and its maintenance. Generally, population explosions, which generally consider a particular and specific problem for the country in the society. So, birth control is important facts which minimize the population increase. Today, I will discuss about the measures of birth control. How we can control the fertilization, control the pregnancy, and continue the sexual drive, as continue the complete full of desire in the both partners in the case of happy life. So there are few ways by which pregnancy avoided. This is called as contraceptive method or contraception, in which conception does not occur. कंसेप्शन का अर्थ है स्पर्म और ओवम फ्यूज नहीं होते, इसका अर्थ है फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं होगा. एंड व्हेन फर्टिलाइजेशन डज नॉट टेक प्लेस, इट मीन्स नो इम्प्लांटेशन, नो प्रेगनेंसी, नो एम्ब्रियो डेवलपमेंट, नो चाइल्ड बर्थ. सो contraceptive measures are many types, as the contraceptive measures are of following types. In which first type is natural method of contraception. Natural method of contraception. It means the pregnancy avoided by the natural method, without the use of medicine, by the help of patience of the couple, patience of the partner in few period. So this natural method of contraception are of many type, like periodic abstinence. Periodic abstinence means periodic abstinence is the couples do not take part in the intercourse, means avoid coitus, abstain coitus between the, so during 7 days before and 7 days after, seven days before and 7 days after of menstrual cycle or menstruation, the coitus avoid by the couple called as periodic abstinence. It is called as periodic abstinence. Periodic abstinence, also called as natural family planning. It is called as natural family planning, which occur in our country before 2000 years ago. Next is withdrawal. Withdrawal or coitus interruptus. Coitus interruptus. It means, in this case, withdrawal of penis from vagina of female before ejaculation. Before ejaculation. Here, ejaculation means when the semen ooze out, semen comes out from the penis in the male. This is called ejaculation. So, prevent insemination and pregnancy. Fertilization like events. So second method is withdrawal, which is also called as coitus interruptus. In the coitus interruptus, during the course of sexual drive, the male remove the penis from the vagina before ejaculation, but it is noticed by the male. At that period, male is very sensitive, very active, frequently remove the penis from the vagina before ejaculation. So insemination prevented, fertilization and pregnancy prevented by this method. And third method is, which is also considered as natural method of contraception, known as lactation amenorrhea. Lactation amenorrhea means sometime if mother breastfeeding for 6 months to the baby, then menstrual cycle does not occur. So, no chance of pregnancy. No chance of pregnancy. So first is natural method of contraception, in which I told you about the periodic abstinence, in which during the 10 to 7 days, here periodic abstinence which occurs during the 10 to 7 days means as 10 to 17 days duration is considered as the 7 days before and 7 days after of menstruation of coitus avoid. Coitus means intercourse avoid. Here by the couple. Couple means male and female both partners. And periodic abstinence, another name is natural family planning. Next one, withdrawal or coitus interruptus. In case of coitus interruptus, as the intercourse is maximum condition, then the male remove the penis from the vagina before ejaculation. Ejaculation means when semen comes out from the penis. This is called ejaculation, and it prevents the insemination and pregnancy or fertilization like events. So this is another method which is called as withdrawal or coitus interruptus. And third method is lactation amenorrhea. Sometimes if mother breastfeeding to the baby occur continue for 6 months, then the menstrual cycle does not occur, so no chance of pregnancy. Another method, that is second method, is known as the chemical method. And chemical method is generally the tablets are used. In chemical method, tablets are used, and these tablets of steroid called oral pills. Why name of oral pills has given? Because used orally, used by mouth, hence this type of tablet called as oral pills. As famous oral pill is Mala D, used continue 21 days. After break of 7 days, again taken by female, 1 tablet daily, 1 tablet daily up to the no desire of offspring. No desire of offspring means no desire of pregnancy. Important one oral pill which is called as Saheli. Saheli developed by the CDRI. Saheli developed by CDRI Lucknow. CDRI means Central Drug Research Institute. Used after 7 days. So Saheli has one important point, that is Saheli used after 7 days and has non-steroid and no side effect, no side effect in the female. Here side effect is found in the female by taking the such chemical tablet, but Saheli has no side effect. After telling you about the second condition, that is the chemical method in which oral pills are used. Oral pills mean the tablet which used by the mouth, so it is called oral pills. Then third type is which is called as barrier. As barrier means rukawat. So the barriers generally condom used by the male. Condoms used by the male partner. Male partner which is used on the penis during the maximum erection during here maximum erection or the erect condition before intercourse. Before intercourse or coitus. Condoms made by the rubber or latex material. Important point of condom is it prevents the fusion of sperm with ovum, because sperms collected in the condom male condom and female condom both are differ, as this is the male condom. This is the male condom which is commonly famous by the name as Nirod. So female condom as used by the female as femicomb on the vagina. It cover on the vagina. It is female condom. For female, generally the female use the another type of barrier, as in barriers first barrier is condom, second barrier is used by the female which is called as cervical cap or diaphragm. Cervical cap or diaphragm is used on the cervix as a cover. It is used in the form of a cap on the cervix part. Here, this is the diaphragm. Diaphragm placed or cover the cervix part and like a cap used by female. Here, male condom famous brand is Nirod, which is made by the either rubber or latex material. As condom is the first type of barrier. Barrier also called as mechanical method. Sometimes barrier also called as mechanical method of contraception. Mechanical method of contraception. Cervical cap or diaphragm used by the female only, and condom which is used by the male and female both. As the condom in the market as famous brand is Nirod, and which fit over the penis in the male during the maximum erection before the intercourse or coitus. Here one important point, that is the use of condom by the couple, so the privacy maintained. This is one important point for use of condom and cervical cap, like mechanical method or barrier method for measures of birth control. Fourth method of measure of birth control is called as IUD. IUD's full name is intrauterine devices. Intrauterine devices, as these are of many types. One is non-medicated type. Non-medicated IUD. Another is copper releasing IUD. copper releasing IUD. And next one, hormonal secreting IUD. Here, non-medicated IUD, good example is Lippus loop. And Lippus loop generally used in the form of a loop which is like this. This is Lippus loop which fit in the uterus. Here it fit in the cervical cavity of female. Because IUD means intrauterine device, means such device used in the uterus part, uterine cavity, and copper releasing IUD are of many types. Like these are as copper T, CUT means copper T, and next one copper 7, next one multi-load C75. Copper T is very important. It has T-shaped structure and generally two copper wire which hang from the such T-shaped body. This copper wire release Cu positive, and the Cu positive here minimize mobility of sperm, minimize mobility of sperm or kills the sperm. So one very important point for copper T, that is use of copper T by the expert doctor or nurse only. In the uterus of female may require. So this is the one very important point for the copper T, that is use of copper T by the expert doctor or nurse in the uterus of female may require. So this is the one very important point should be noted. Hormonal secreting IUD are of many types, as two names here, LNG20, and next one is Progesta Zerd is another hormone secreting IUD. These generally secretes the steroid hormone, prevent the implantation of blastocyst. prevent implantation of blastocyst in the endometrium of uterus. So this is very important point, should be as noted for progesterone and LNG, which are generally called as hormonal secreting IUD, as third category. And second category is, that is the copper releasing IOD, which release copper ion and which minimize mobility of the hair, which minimize the mobility of the sperm and or kill the sperm. Sometimes it kill the sperms. So either minimize mobility or the kill the sperm. As first type of IUD, which is called as non-medicated IUD, or a good example is Lippus loop, which is shown here, fit in the cervical cavity of female. And here Lippus loop, one important property is, that is, it is used for many time, after washing, it is used for many times and generally fit in the cervical cavity of female. So these are the IUD which generally used in the intrauterine devices. So in this way, the measure of birth controls I told you. In brief, please like, subscribe and share my channel Super Classes. Thanks.